Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to a review on Adam's Toyland. Today, I'm going to be showing you this Wild Republic black and white ruffed lemur. Black and white ruffed lemurs get their name for their black and white bodies, but not all individuals have the same black and white markings, but their hands, feet, tails, faces, and heads are typically black, with a distinctive white ruff around their necks. Like all lemur species, the black and white ruffed lemur only lives in Madagascar. Black and white ruffed lemurs eat fruit, leaves, seeds, and nectar, which they are able to reach with their long tongues. The main natural predator of the black and white ruffed lemur is the fossa. There are 105 species of lemur in the world. Unfortunately, the black and white ruffed lemur is endangered because of deforestation and illegal hunting and collection for the pet trade. We need to save the black and white ruffed lemur from extinction. To the creature rescue. Like all lemur species, the black and white ruffed lemur has a tooth comb. The tooth comb is used by all lemurs for grooming. The tooth comb is actually made up of 4 little teeth at the bottom of the lemur's mouth. I wish humans had tooth combs. That would be cool. Black and white ruffed lemurs have been observed to be in larger groups consisting of up to 16 individuals, but those larger groups can comprise of several smaller groups. According to animal experts, the lemurs are the most endangered mammals in the world. Okay, time for the reading. I rate this Wild Republic black and white ruffed lemur a 10 out of 10. I recommend anybody getting this animal if they like lemurs, black and white ruffed lemurs, Wild Republic, animals that live in Madagascar, black and white animals, and endangered animals. And primates, too. Black and white ruffed lemurs are primates. Primates are animals consisting of the following: lemurs, monkeys, apes, and humans. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below and to subscribe. Click the picture of Tinsel to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving Wild Republic lemurs. See you later. Bye.